Assalamu alaikum, guys. I hope everyone is okay. I just came to Maysbrook Park barking and saw one gentleman picking up all the rubbish from the canal. Like the people who comes here and leave all the rubbish in the water and anywhere. To that people, can you please, when you finish your picnic, pick up the rubbish and throw the rubbish in the bin. Zara zara amar dekhra ami মেসবুক পার্ক আইসি আইয়া দেখছি একজন জেন্টলম্যান তাই রাবিশ ফানি থেকে পিক আপ করা করিয়া বিনো ফেলাইরা যারা যারা রাবিশ যেন মনে হয় অন্য ফেলাই দেন তারারে উদ্দেশ্য এইটা যে যেখানে মনে হয় না ফেলাইবা না রাবিশ আপনারা যদি ন্যাচারাল বিচ এনজয় করতে চান তে আপনারা মাইন্ডসেট হলো লাগবো যে আপনারা পিকনিক বাদে রাবিশটা আপনারা সেলফে পিক আপ করে লিবা. As you can see, this is the gentleman picking up the rubbish from the sea. And I want you guys to share so everyone knows what he is doing, so everyone get inspired to do it. Do you want to give any message for the people?
Oh, yeah. Litter, put it in the bin.
Yeah.
Basically.
Yeah, that's it. Please, guys, respect the nature. You know, all these cans and stuff, isn't it? Look at that. It's not good for wild animals as well, you know.
No, there's like a couple of nests,
Yeah.
like birds' nests and stuff, and you can see they've got like over there. There's a nest.
Yeah.
There's a plastic bag in it. See the blue plastic bag?
Yeah. The in the middle.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
yeah. And what's strange is the amount of bread bags.
Yeah.
So like
People come to
bring
feed the
feed,
bird.
which is
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah.
But I don't know how. I've probably picked up about 5 bread bags.
It's
So I don't know
not,
who comes to feed the ducks and then leaves the bread bag.
That's what it shows how their mindset is.
Yeah.
Mm.
Coconut. That's probably falling in there.
You should tell council as well to spare people. Do like if they put posters everywhere.
I mean, I think the council do a pretty good job.
Yeah,
like,
they do, but
clearing this,
yeah.
like pretty good. But what can you do? You can have posters up everywhere, basically. But the easiest thing, if like council do their bit, other people do their bit, and then me, 1 or 2 other people maybe just pick up these little extra bits.
Yeah.
Then people come to the park and it's nice, isn't it? Basically, because it's not really many green spaces around.
No.
This sort of area we've got here.
Yeah.
A couple other parks basically, and it's not like we've got fields and forests we can go in.
Yeah.
Basically, so
We need more people like you.
yeah,
Yeah. Do you live around here?
yeah, just pretty close basically.
Oh.
This is like in the quarantine. This is not my exercise area.
Exercise as well. Yeah.
It was just doing my head in, seeing all
Yeah.
that.
No, everywhere I go, I see rubbish. Does my head in as well. I don't understand why people can't pick it up and just throw it in the bin, and that's
Well,
it. Simple as that.
Yeah, do you know what part of it is? Is people do pack it up and put it in the bin.
Yeah.
But then the birds peck at it, open the bags up and pull it out of the bin.
Yeah.
So like you could look at it and think,
Yeah.
oh, not all this.
No, I've seen some people throwing as well, but I can't say. Yeah.
The bird's not going to pull that out.
Yeah.
Basically, but like something like that, somebody could have put that in a bin, but then a bird will peck it out, and then it will. Do you know what I mean? So.
No, I've seen myself. Like if you tell people, say they're gonna say, "Who are you to tell me?" Isn't it? That's the straight answer. They're gonna, yeah.
Don't get involved.
That's
Don't
it.
get involved with any of that. None of that at all, basically. Yeah.
Anyway, you're doing a good job. Carry on doing it.
Mate, take care. Have a nice day.
You
Yeah.
too. I hope people get lessons as well. So what time are you planning to do until the whole day?
So this is my daily exercise.
Yeah.
I'll do it until I run out of bin bags.
Oh.
I'll do it until I run out of bin bags, basically. But this is like, yeah, because I go running yesterday, running tomorrow, and then today's like the day off from running in this park. So I'll just do like a little bit of bending over, a little bit of left and right, basically. And,
Great thinking. And you carry on doing what you're doing, yeah?
Nice one, mate.
Good luck. I hope whoever was watching, you guys saw what he is doing. He's picking up all the rubbish from the canal and throwing in the bin. So people out there who are messing up the greenery, please put the rubbish in the bin and respect the guy, respect the people out there doing the job. And I want everyone, whoever watched this, to share so people knows there are great people like him around here doing good job. So people, please share and inspire others to do such a great job like him. Okay guys, I'm gonna end my live. I hope you guys share it and everyone watches this one. আমি লাইভ অনুমেন্ট করিলাম, আমি জাস্ট দেখছি জেন্টলম্যান রাবিশ পিক আপ করিয়া বিনো ফলাইরা ওয়াটার থেকে পানি থাকি এর লাগে আমার মনে আইলো যে একটা ভিডিও করিয়া যদি দেই আরও মানুষের গিয়ে ইন্সপায়ার করবো। হোপ you guys gonna share this video and everyone watches it. Assalamu alaikum.